raindrops tapping on my window pane, each one singing an old refrain. Gray clouds dancing in the sky. Why do they cry as they pass by? Puddles forming where dreams once stood, drowning echoes of childhood hood. Wind whispers secrets to the night, chilling my bones with its lonely bite. Blues in the rain, washing away my pain. Feel the thunder hum down my memory lane. Lightning strikes bright, then fades in vain, lost in the storm of blues in the rain. Shadows mingling with the streetlight glow, footsteps echo in the night so slow.